They told me I can't own a gun, that I ain't allowed to protect my wife, my family, my children, my daughter, my motherfucking home, right? They called me a felon. Said I forfeited my right to bear arms the moment I pulled the trigger on my past. What am I supposed to do when evil kicks in my door? Throw a Bible at it or grab my sword? I ain't asking to be a vigilante, a dope dealer. I ain't looking to be a cowboy or a yahoo, right? I just want to know that when the world goes dark, I can stand between the threat and my family without getting cuffed up twice, right? And maybe protect my country. But that's the price I gave up, my steel, when I earned that DOC number. And I can't hold what I used to. But that don't mean I'm defenseless. I'm helpless. Because let me tell you what I do carry now. I carry scripture in my chest. I carry war prayers in my gut. I carry the blood of the Lamb like Kevlar on my soul, and I carry the big sword of faith. The devil might be armed, but let's get right. Let's get real. I'm anointed. That's what the Bible has to say in Psalms 144:1. Praise be to the Lord, my rock, who trains my hands for war and my fingers for battle. God said I could still fight. Even if I can't carry that iron, I can carry the fire. They took the gun from my hands, but they couldn't take the fire from my mouth. I might not have a 9mm, 40 cal, or 50 cal, but I got a word that splits demons like hollow points, right? I don't need a Glock. I got God and this sword, and he ain't jamming. He ain't running out of rounds. He ain't going click, 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 click. He ain't freezing in fear. You want to protect your house? Get out that oil. Start with your soul. Start with your testimony. Start with the name that makes all of hell flinch. That's Jesus. And offer up that name. Tag that man who feels helpless without a weapon. And tell him this, and this is from my heart. You still got a right to protect what's yours, brother. But the real fight, it ain't flesh and blood. It's spiritual. So gear up, pray hard, and guard your house with God. And give them everything you got. You swing the hammer. Fluent fucking English.